Hey, this is Kevin from the Project Cave, and today we're going to take this old deadbolt and upgrade it. Now, we're still going to use the same deadbolt, but we're going to add this attachment to it. It's a smart lock. What that will do is replace the inside portion of this lock, and it will allow us, if we have a contractor or a babysitter or a house cleaner, if they have to come over and get into the house, we don't have to have a spare key for them. That way we maintain control of all of our keys, and we just send them a link that will attach to the smart lock, and we'll know who's using it, when they're coming in, when they're leaving. We'll be able to control the lock remotely, and it'll be a bit of an improvement. And if I ever lose my key, well, I can still get into the house. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to install it right now. First step is to put a piece of tape over the old lock. That way when we take the back off, it stays in place. Next up, pull the screws. And take our mounting plate. You want to make sure that the pieces that will receive the new lock, these little tabs, the recess is on the inside. In your kit, you'll have a series of adapters. Mine is the green one. It's for a quick set lock. There's also adapters that will fit Slage, Defiant, Baldwin, Westock. There's a few different ones. The compatibility list is on the website. Got these wing latches on the side that they just fold open. Then the lock unit. You may have to use a little friendly persuasion. I'm going to pop that cover off. Pull that tab out so the batteries are active. Put that back into place. And that lock is now installed. The door is in the lock position. Now it's unlocked. Okay, the new lock is in place. The app is open and it has discovered the lock. It's indicating that it's open. We'll give it a tap. It's a little bit noisy, but it is now locked up. We'll give it another tap. It is open. Now, the thing I am not real thrilled about is you need the phone to do this. I have a 5-year-old and a less than 1-year-old. They're not getting phones at that age, and that's a little bit disappointing. But I think the keypad, there is an aftermarket piece that you can add to this system here, so it makes up for that shortcoming a little bit. Anyway, I'll leave a link below if you're interested in a lock like this. I think if I were to put this on my front door, I'd want to have one of the keypads on the door. That way, you know, my daughter, who actually at 3 knew my phone number because we drilled that into her, would be able to remember a code for the front door should she ever need to get into the house if you know, I was in the backyard or something. So anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think with a comment below. I'm Kevin, and I'll see you next time in the Project Cave.